What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get ODECK'S Protector Plate Armor in Crimson Desert. Before you proceed, you'll need the Focus Force Palm ability, which only unlocks around Chapter 4 of the main quest. Now, this sturdy looking armor mainly provides 13 points in defense. Its best features are its Abyss gears of level 1 ice resistance, damage reduction 1, and an additional 3 points in defense. You'll find this in the territory of Payloon, around my waypoint. Let's zoom in, and you need to be exactly where my X mark is. It's north of the Swamp of Despair and east of the Cloister of Ruination. Use those as guides when placing your waypoint. Now venture deep into the creepy forest, until you find this sinkhole. You'll know you're close when you see the Abyss Cell icon on my minimap to the left. Now approach that hole and you'll find a rock blocking it. Activate your focus by pressing X. Hold your middle mouse to charge a Focus Force Palm, and aim at the gold orb. Release the pent-up energy and the rock will fade away. Just fall down and you'll find a chest in the corner. Loot it and you'll get your armor. Don't forget to seal the Abyss Cell. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.